my name is Uldis and I'm from MikroTik. Do you want high-speed internet in middle of nowhere? Then you want our newest LHGG LTE6 kit. It is a device for last-mile internet access in very remote areas. The GG kit features a 300 megabit LTE modem and a high-gain LTE antenna. This means you can have fiber-like connections even when your phone doesn't have any LTE signal. The built-in Category 6 modem is great for two reasons. As mentioned, it can reach speeds up to 300 megabits per second, and it can use multiple frequency bands at the same time. It offers a huge advantage over other devices. We have seen internet speeds doubling in rural areas after switching to this type of modem. This model features a gigabit Ethernet port with PoE in for powering the device from Ethernet port. There's also a powerful dual-core CPU and plenty of RAM. We also have another model with 100 megabit Ethernet port if you're on tight budget or you don't need all the speed. The grid antenna design can withstand harsh and windy weather and can be mounted in multiple ways. There's a massive heatsink, so you don't need to worry about overheating. With this device you can really focus on important stuff, while the tech just works in the background. So don't wait. Choose the GG kit and always stay connected.